again, bruh. I remember the other day, there was also another hacker. Just, why? You know you're gonna get removed from it. Just, why? Also, sorry if my throat's like a breath scratchy. I have spring allergies. It's like almost spring. Let's see. I think it's quintillion, but I'll just double check. Thousands, millions, billions, trillions, quadrillions. Yeah, quintillions. But let's see if they're on this honey board. Wait, I made 10. Yep. Literally, like, I think they did like 5 seconds, like a minute ago, honestly. Like, I literally saw that, Xbox 360 gaming, when I came back from my macro, was, first. Now it just, why? Just why?